I don't use spreadsheets anymore. AI tracks, plans, and even warns me about my money in real time. And today, I'll show you how. Hey friends, today I'm sharing how I manage my entire financial life using just AI tools. No complicated Excel sheets, no manual budgets. If you're busy, overwhelmed, or just hate tracking money, this video is for you. Tool 1. Clio. AI budget assistant Clio connects to your bank and gives you a breakdown using funny Gen Z-style chats. You can literally ask, how much did I spend on food last week? She'll roast you, but also show you exactly where your money's going. Bonus, you can set auto savings challenges like save $10 every time I buy coffee. Tool 2. Peer. European AI for bills and subscriptions. Peer is great for EU users. It scans your transaction history and flags subscriptions you forgot about. In January, it showed me I was paying for 2 cloud storage plans. One click and canceled. Saved $18 a month instantly. Tool 3. ChatGPT for money planning. This tool right here. You can ask it, create a weekly meal budget under $30. Plan how to save $2,000 for a trip in 6 months. What side hustles can I start as a student in France? It's like having a free financial advisor 24/7. Tool 4. Plum. Auto invest with AI. Plum links to your account and pulls small amounts, like $2 to $10 daily, based on your spending habits. Then it invests in diversified ETFs. You don't have to think. It just builds long-term wealth in the background. Using AI for money isn't about being lazy, it's about being efficient. You can focus on earning and living while AI handles the boring but important stuff. Download any one of the tools mentioned above, link it, test it for 7 days, then come back and comment which one saved you the most. Let's make tech work for us. If this video opened your eyes to the power of automation in finance, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real-world AI-powered money strategies. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate your income. See you there.